Want to make more money? It's easier than you think. Just three simple moves. Master these, and your income won't just grow, it'll explode. First, skills. Money follows value. The better your skills, the bigger your paycheck. Pick one high value skill coding, copywriting, sales and invest 30 minutes today sharpening it. Small daily upgrades will give massive future paydays. Second, side hustles. One income stream is dangerous, two is freedom, three is power. Side hustles aren't hobbies. They're your second, third, fourth engines on your rocket. Brainstorm three ideas, pick the easiest, and take one small action today. Start ugly, start fast. Third, leverage. You have 24 hours. So does everyone else. The wealthy, they multiply their hours with leverage. Find one way to add leverage today. Set up a tool, or delegate a task, or invest in something small. More money isn't a dream, it's a decision. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and tell me in the comments, what skill or side hustle are you starting today?